60120 Enforcement. Civil action. Civil action of an enforcement chapter that requires the Secretary of Transportation, Attorney General may provide civil action with the appropriate district of the United States Court to enforce the chapter that include the section of 60112 regulation prescribed in order issuing the chapter of the awarded appropriate relief within, including temporary permanent injunction of the penalty unit of damage assessment. Civil penalties considered the same factor as prescribed by the Secretary Administrative in the case of under section 60122, but the maximum amount of civil penalties administrative enforcement acts under 60122 shall not apply to the enforcement actions under this section. Civil action required of the compliance with the subpoena that allow the inspection and required of the Secretary Attorney General that may bring the civil action to the District Court of the United States to require of the person to comply immediately to the subpoena to allow the officer employed with the agent authorized by the Secretary enter the premise with the inspect with the record of the property with the person and decide whether the person is complying with the chapter of the action that was brought with the jurisdictional district where is offending to reside with the file that does business of the court much upon failure to obtain the order of the contempt of the court. Jury trial is demanded of the trial criminal contempt for violation of injunction issued on a section violation which also a violation of chapter. Defendant may demand a jury that the defendant shall provide as provided in Rule 42B, Federal Rules of Criminal Procedure 818 Appendix United States Code. Effective tort liability chapter does not affect the tort liability of any person in public law, history court, world divisions. Amendment 60112, actions of private person.